everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Prof. Wen, doctor, professor, and expert in cooking. So, the one that I'm going to vlog for you is about the La Fortuna farm. It is located here in Nueva Vizcaya. So, still in the Philippines. Okay, kaway-kaway. The whole world will see you. Okay, we are the tourists and we will see the beauty of the La Fortuna farm. This is only here in Nueva Vizcaya. You can see this is very uh, a beauty. It's composed of farm. So, ayan. What they are showing here, I think, the different kinds of plants. But they don't have the name. Okay, but it's very nice. Plants are so nice. Look, look. So, ayan po. This is what the La Fortuna farm look like. Okay, we will witness the beauty of the La Fortuna farm. So in the sides, they put bamboo, and even in the left and right sides. And that is my husband. Picturean mo ako, Daddy. Okay, so guys, I want you to show the La Fortuna farm. So it's beautiful. So this is still part of the Nueva Vizcaya. And you will see also the different kinds of plants and even the trees like the one at tamarind. So yeah, so lots of tamarind. And I like tamarind, especially when it is sweet. So picture out, I will give you the picture for these different kinds of plants. So ayan. So if you want to visit here guys, don't forget uh, to miss this opportunity. So this is in the Nueva Vizcaya. So ayan. So aside from that, mayroon siyang look. It's like what do you call that one? It's like falls. You see? But small one. And then so they have the different kinds of plants. And there are also papaya. Papaya. Look. So I like papaya. Also the beauty, the others. So look. Yan. And this is my hubby. And yan. That's the beauty of La Fortuna. You see? Nice. It's nice to sit, to make picture. Yan. And there's also swimming pool. So, ayan. This is very affordable price, guys. So, if I were you, don't forget to come. Don't hesitate to come, in La Fortuna Farm. So, take note. I just want to remind you na I am not here to vlog this one, but I don't receive anything, any payment from the administration. But I just want to share this opportunity, this La Fortuna farm, so that maybe there are some people that that will come here. So, yan. O, enjoy na kayo. Picture.
Buong mundo, please watch for my channel. Profit, don't forget. It's only Profit. PROF.WEN. Profit channel. Promise. Ano? Magagandahan kayo. Meron pa ba? Agan pa sila yung picture mo. Ang video. Dito ba ganda sila? Ayan, pasok ka naman. Picture ah. Okay na? So guys, iniimbitahan ko kayo. We are here in the Philippines at La Fortuna Farm. So don't miss this opportunity. Please come and visit the La Fortuna Farm. Mag-enjoy po kayo sa dami ng mga punong kahoy, sa dami ng mga plants, sa dami ng mga bungang kahoy. So, ayun po. At saka napakaganda. If you are the nature lover, so come and visit La Fortuna. Only in the Philippines, Nueva Vizcaya. Ayan. Picture. Okay. Ito naman.
Ano to naka-video siya.
Naka-video.
Naka-video din na picture. Edit mo na rin.
Okay.
Ito na naka-edit.
Ulit tayo.
No, I'm videoing. Video? Video for...
Ibig sabihin hanggang doon
Doon
pa yan.
Doon ka. Where's the view? Ito, ang sarap ng upo.
Ay, ito ka na bedali.
Dalawa daw kayo. Dali.
Okay, so sabi ko nga napakaganda nitong place na to if you are really a nature lover. So, ayan po. Ay, dahil si Profen ay nature lover, so
Step.
nakakarating din. So, ito yung kasama ko. Ay, aywan ko, medyo mahiyain yata si Step. So, maganda naman. Di ba? Beauty. Okay, so, picture na. Ano pa? Yan o, yan o. Yan man si ano.
Stephanie.
Ay, hanggang doon pa rin.
Oo.
Ayan.
Gutom na yan.
Sabi siguro ng baby na, Mami, ay, Mami. O, sige. Alito. Okay. Hindi ganon. Vlog. Ganito lang ang vlog. Walang ending. So, ayan. Okay. So, thank you. At pa, dito. Usually ka dito. Dapat ng mga anak mo agad. Mag-ano nga muna ako. Picture natin ng kabuuan. Mag-ano pala ako. Shortcut. Ayan si Tricia. Mag-shortcut muna pala ako.
Naka-continue video. Ayan.
Saan?
Dito. Gusto ko ligot-log na eh.
O, mag-order na tayo. Okay, so, ayan. So, ayan. Ito yung kabuuan ng La Fortuna Farm. Okay, so,
Nag-search pala dapat ako.
Ako nag-start para nag-picture dito.
May video ba yun?
Yes! Direct video na to.
Dito pala sila no?
Dito ka muna, Ote Wen. Dalawa kayo.
Outside. Okay, picture mo. Picture or video?
Picture. Picture and video.
Picture muna. Video.
Naka-video to. Direct video na nga.
Picture muna at saka video kasi. Kasi i-order ko yan ng ano, thumbnail. Mag-video ka, off mo, mag-picture ka.
Oo nga.
Eh, sabi mo, ano, direct video. Okay, we will this order and then you will eat here because it seems that this is the dining table. And then if you want, you have to drink wine, you can order and what do you call it, what in the cafeteria or something in this club Fortuna. So, ayun. Okay, so dito naman, dali. Picture lang to, dito sa dami. Ah. Okay, guys. So, kami po ay mga magagandang nag-iisip ng lapo. Video ba yan? Video? Okay, isang mapagpalang araw sa inyo lahat. Magaling po sa mga magagandang nag-iisip ng lapo. So, ayan po. Enjoy lang. And if you want to come, you can visit here. Thank you. Okay na? Tapos na ba?
Makiat ka, Tewen.
Don't forget to pagka.
Akyat.
Basta ako out. Yan.
Ay, sorry.
Ah, dito ka. Mag-outro ako dito.
Diba, ito yun. Laki mo.
Okay, i-open mo na. Okay, enjoy watching my vlog. And please, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe for those who didn't subscribe yet. And don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will be notified for my next vlog. Bye!
Dumating din ang aming pagkain. So, ayan. Even pala sa ano, may lapor. Ayan. O, kain na tayo. Kain na.
Hindi pa kompleto yan.
Di pa ba? Kaya,
Magaling ng chips.
okay, so, dahil lunch time na, so, yan. Kumain muna kami bago kami umuwi. Bakit? Traffic ba yon?